How to sign up for Trust Wallet or create a Trust Wallet account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a new Trust Wallet account. So to do that, first of all, download the Trust Wallet app from your Play Store or App Store and then simply open it on your mobile device. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on the option create a new wallet. Here you will be provided with the privacy policy and the terms of service of Trust Wallet. So simply go through all of these, and once you've done that, simply tick on this box and then tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to create a passcode for your Trust Wallet on your mobile device, so simply do that over here. Now once you've done that, you'll have to back up your wallet now, so you'll have to tick on all of these three and then tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the page where you will be provided with your secret phrase. Now you'll have to write these secret phrases down or copy these words in the right order and save them somewhere else where no one else can see it besides you, as this is just like the password of your Trust Wallet account. If they have this code or these phrases, they can simply log into your account and then maybe misuse your account. So in order to be safe and be protected, you will have to not share this phrase with anyone and keep it a secret to yourself only. So for now, I'll simply copy these codes, and if you want, you can also write them down somewhere safe. Now once you've copied them down somewhere, simply tap on the option continue, and now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to put these phrases in order. So simply put them in order. Now once you've entered all of these, if they are correct, it will say well done, and then tap on the option continue. And once you've done that, simply cross this, and there you have it. That is basically how you create a Trust Wallet account or sign up for Trust Wallet. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.